Life without an aim is useless, aimless, and pointless. Life is a great blessing from God. It should be spent on a purpose, with a certain aim. Otherwise, there will be no difference between the life of man and that of animals. Life in the olden times was simple. A man had to hunt for food, nothing more. But now is a different time. We have new challenges to meet. We have new problems to solve. So, one should be ready for all these things. One can face life and its problems with a plan. Without a plan, life would be difficult to live. Hi, my name is Eric. I want to become a teacher. The question is, why so? There are many other professions. One can be a doctor, earning a lot of dollars daily. One can be an engineer, getting tens of thousands of dollars as a salary. One can be a shopkeeper, earning lots of profits. One can also be a trader, selling things and earning lots of profits. Why not a teacher? I want to become a teacher because I love this profession, not only because I love it, but also for its greatness. I know teachers in our country are low paid. I also know that people don't think this profession is a great one. They think that teachers are merely teachers, with no high status in life. I admit, teachers are not given proper status in our society. But, all the same, I like this profession. I think teaching is the best job to do. It is because teachers bring light and knowledge into people's lives. They take them out of ignorance. They teach them good values. This is what I think and believe. In my opinion, a poor literate man is better than an illiterate rich man. So, that is why I want to be a teacher. This is my aim in life.
Never miss a video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Learn English very quickly. Hit the bell icon for notifications. Thank you for watching.